guys, good evening, and tonight I'm gonna make coconut chutney, and this is actually perfect for any grilled meat. So it's like a dipping sauce. So let me show you my ingredients. We will be needing some yogurt, and I have here in this bowl I have some coriander leaves and mint leaves. We'll need this. So half cup of mint leaves and 1.5 cup of coriander leaves, and we'll need some salt. We need some mustard seeds. Mustard seeds, we'll use this when seasoning or garnishing something. We need this, and I have here curry leaves and red chili. I have garlic, and I have 2 green chilies. So if you want less spicy, then just put 1 chili. And I have coconut. This is shredded coconut and 1 onion. So first we have to dry roast these 2 ingredients. We have to heat it up our pan, no oil. This is a dry roast, and we have to put this together. And then just roast this one. Keep stirring it so it doesn't get burned. Okay. Put in a slow flame. And meanwhile our coconut and onion is roasting. First we have to put these other ingredients in our mixer. So I have here leaves. Put it in. Who's this?
Hi.
She is my queen. And her chain also matches on the ground. Can you put this in the sink? Okay, put it in the crown. I put it in the sink.
Okay, put it on crown?
No, sorry, put it in the sink. And after this, we're gonna add we add this green chili, garlic, and this one no need to grind because this is only later when we have to do our seasoning. And then we have to roast our cumin as well together, mix with the onion and shredded coconut. So we have to roast these 3 ingredients because it really gives a good smell and taste. That's why we are roasting this. We have to give this. And now we can add our yogurt. So I'm adding like about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. This will be sufficient. I have only small yogurt left, so anyway. And then we can add, since the yogurt is already fermented, we don't have to add so much of salt. So I'm just adding like 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just to give a nice taste, little salty taste. And now our cumin powder and our onion and shredded coconut, fresh shredded coconut is roasting. I think this will be enough now. So we have to remove this from the pan and put it in the mixer. And now we put it inside. Okay. We will just wait. We will not gonna mix it now. We will wait until it gets cooled down. So we'll wait around 10 minutes or until it gets cooled down before we grind all these things inside. And now this one has been completely cooled down. Now it's time for us to grind it. Sorry. So for this, just add just a little bit of water. So it will give a good smooth chutney. And now let's just taste if the salt is okay. So this is how it looks like. It's like a paste. As you can see. So now let's have a taste. Salt is less, so I will add a little bit more. Then we have to grind it again. So I think this is done. So this is okay. We'll transfer this in a tight container. So we'll transfer it here. And we should remove everything. We should not waste. Just everything should move. So now, this much we make. This is how it looks like. As you can see, this is my coconut chutney. And now we have to do our seasoning. And for the seasoning, we need first heated up the pan, and we can add I'm using a Pure Ghee, vegetable Pure Ghee. So I'm adding it just a little bit. Make sure for this, okay, we require curry leaves, some of curry leaves, 2 red chilies, and mustard seeds. But make sure before you put your mustard seeds, it should be hot. So when it's hot, then the mustard seeds will crack. When it's cracked, then it will give a really nice smell. So as you can see, it's cracking. So now it's time to put your red chili and your curry leaves. So this is done. And now you can transfer it here. It will really give a nice taste. And then mix it well. And now our coconut chutney